tsunami, with traditional databases struggling under the weight of today's massive data loads. Enter Hadoop. This open source framework is revolutionizing how businesses handle big data. With Hadoop, you can store and process virtually unlimited amounts of information across clusters of ordinary computers, turning what once seemed impossible into daily reality. The real beauty of Hadoop isn't just its power, it's how it makes complex data processing accessible, even to organizations without enterprise-level budgets. Companies like Netflix and Facebook rely on Hadoop to make sense of their vast data mountains. But here's what most Hadoop explanations miss about why it's truly changing the game. Hadoop isn't just another tech buzzword, it's a game changer for companies overwhelmed by data. It's an open source framework that stores and processes massive data sets across clusters of computers. Instead of struggling with traditional databases, which can't keep up with terabytes of information, Hadoop breaks data into chunks and spreads it across multiple machines, bringing the computing power to where the data is. Hadoop was built for failure. Hard drives crash and networks go down, but Hadoop keeps working because it automatically creates multiple copies of data and redistributes work whenever something goes wrong. Remember when Excel was enough for most data needs? Those days are long gone. Before Hadoop arrived in 2006, companies faced a tough choice: spend millions on specialized hardware or simply ignore most of their data. The MapReduce approach, first published by Google, was out of reach for most organizations. Doug Cutting and Mike Caffarella changed that by creating Hadoop, making big data processing accessible for everyone. What started as a Yahoo project quickly spread around the tech world. The change happened fast. In the early 2000s, traditional databases hit their limits. Hadoop emerged in 2006 as a side project. Between 2008 and 2010, tech giants started using it. From 2011 to 2015, businesses everywhere adopted Hadoop, and since then the ecosystem has exploded. Hadoop is more than a single tool. It's a powerful data ecosystem built on four key components: HDFS, the storage layer, which breaks files into blocks and distributes them across a cluster, replicating the data for fault tolerance. MapReduce, the original processing framework, analyzes huge data sets in two steps: mapping to filter and sort, then reducing to summarize results. Yarn, which manages computing resources and schedules jobs across the cluster. And Hadoop Common, the essential libraries and utilities that support the other modules. Beyond those, the Hadoop ecosystem now includes tools like Hive, Pig, Spark, HBase, and many more. Data isn't just growing, it's exploding. Every click, swipe, and sensor generates information that could influence business decisions. Without Hadoop, most organizations would have to discard valuable data. Companies turn to Hadoop because traditional systems can't handle today's data volumes, and competition demands fast, sophisticated analysis. Hadoop offers huge cost savings compared to old-school data warehousing, lets you store and analyze unstructured data like text or images, and it scales as your business grows. For example, Netflix processes over 450 billion events every day using Hadoop technologies to drive recommendations. Walmart analyzes over 1 million customer transactions every hour, using insights to keep shelves stocked with exactly what customers want. Hadoop is more than just another framework, it's the backbone of modern big data. With Hadoop, you can turn a flood of raw information into insights that drive your business forward. Instead of struggling to stay afloat in the data deluge, Hadoop helps you ride the wave. You can now use this script directly in your text-to-speech converter or